Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today we are going to make the fingerprint scanner test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this fingerprint scanner. So let's lock our device, and right now just simply I'm going to put the finger here for like 5 tries. It looks not that bad. I mean, it's smoothly, and after 3 tries it's reliable. But honestly, it doesn't work on the same speed like on the newest smartphones from the Xiaomi or any other company. You have to wait for like one and a half second to unlock your device. And in the new smartphones, you get just, you put the finger and the phone is unlocked, right? But to be honest, it's not that bad. You have to remember that the smartphone is really cheap in this 2021 year, and I think it works really good. And by the way, here I got the screen protector on the screen, as you can see. So even with this protector, it works not that bad. So yeah, for sure it's reliable and it's fast, but not that much as the newest smartphones. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!